Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful English country inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. English country decor is a warm, lifted style inspired by the rural homes of England. It reflects comfort, tradition, and a gentle connection to nature, like stepping into a cozy countryside cottage filled with history and charm. Core feeling and atmosphere. This style is not about perfection. It is about comfort and character. Use soft, welcoming, and slightly imperfect. Feels collected over time, not bought all at once. A mix of elegance and rustic simplicity, calm, nostalgic, and deeply cozy. Imagine a small living room, a floral sofa, a wooden coffee table with books, soft curtains moving in the breeze, a vase of fresh garden flowers. It is not perfect, but it feels like home. English country decor goes beyond just pretty florals. It is a philosophy of living, so comforting and deeply connected to nature and memory, inspired by rural life in England. The connected over time look, unlike modern styles, this one avoids anything that feels brand new or overly masked. The collected over time look, unlike modern styles, this one avoids anything that feels brand new or overly masked. Furniture and decor feels inherited, thrifted, and passed down. Features don't match perfectly, and that is intentional. A room might combine different woods, fabrics, and eras. Your home should look like it evolved over years, not decorated in one day. Mixing pattern like a pro. This style is famous for pattern mixing, but it follows a quiet ceremony, floral plus stripes plus check. Keep colors in the same soft palette so they don't clash. Use different scales like big flowers plus small prints. It may look busy, but it feels calm because colors stay gentle. Use natural materials and craftsmanship. Everything feels real and tactile. Use solid wood, stone, linen, cotton, and tulle. Handmade or artisanal items like pottery, crochet, and embroidery. Slight imperfection and charm. Plastic or glossy finishes break the mood. This style loves authenticity. Seasonal and living decor. English country homes reflect change with the seasons. Spring, use fresh flowers and light fabrics. For summer, use airy curtains and garden elements. For autumn, use warm tones and thicker throws. For winter, use candles and heavier textures. Nature is always inside the home. The role of history and nostalgia. This style is deeply emotional. Use antique clocks, old books, and vintage frames. Items that tell a story or hold memories. Slight wear and aging is appreciated, not hidden. It is less about luxury, more about meaning. Kitchen and dining charm. The kitchen is the heart of this style. Use open shelves with plates, cups, and jars. Wooden tables instead of formal dining setup. Everything is both functional and decorative. Nothing is hidden. Daily life becomes part of the decor. Comfort over perfection. At its core, English country decor says a slightly round tablecloth is okay. A old chair is beautiful. A room should feel used, loved, and lived in. It is the opposite of showroom perfection. English country style is close to movements like cottagecore but more traditional and grounded. in real heritage rather than just aesthetic trends. It is not about copying, it is about creating a home that feels like a story. Quiet mornings with tea, soft light through curtains, the feeling of time slowing down. The emotional atmosphere. This style is designed to create a specific mood, a sense of calm and safety, gentle nostalgia, like memories you can't quite place. Comfort that invites you to sit, rest, and stay. The room should feel like it welcomes you, not embraces you. Imperfection as beauty. In most modern designs, flaws are hidden. Here, they are celebrated: scratches on wood, faded fabrics, aged metal, slightly uneven handmade items, a mix that feels unplanned. These imperfections makes the home feel human and real. Light and softness. Lighting is always gentle, natural tea light filtered through shade or lace curtains, warm lamps instead of harsh overhead lights, golden cozy tones. In the evening, light is used to create emotion, not just visibility. Everyday life as decoration. Nothing is staged too perfectly. A book left open, a teacup on the table, a basket with crochet knitting. Real life becomes part of the beauty. Connection to nature, indoors and outdoors. Nature is always present. Use fresh flowers, even simple wildflowers, herbs on windowsills. Views out greenery, not nature-inspired decor. The home feels like an extension of the garden. Quiet elegance, not flashy luxury. English country decor has elegance, but it is subtle, no shiny, overly modern finishes. Beauty comes from texture, layering, and history. A balance between humble and refined. It whispers in a state of shouting. A lifestyle, not just decoration. This style naturally connects with the idea of cottagecore, but it's more grounded and practical. It encourages solid routines like tea time, reading, and crafting, enjoying simple daily moments, creating a home that feels emotionally rich. A poetic way to understand it. Imagine this: rain tapping on the window, a soft blanket over your lap, a warm cup of tea in your hands, faded florals around you, a quiet, peaceful room. That feeling, that is English country decor. The hidden layers of English country decor, the treated rules of balance. English country rooms may look effortless, but there's a quiet structure behind them. 60% calm base. Use neutral walls and soft furniture. Next, 30% pattern and texture like florals, straps, and wood grain. 10% personality, unique window spaces, art, and books. Without this balance, a room can quickly feel cluttered instead of cozy. Why it feels so comforting? This style works because it gently affects your mind. Use soft colors, reduce visual stresses. Repetition of patterns creates familiarity. Natural materials make the space feel grounding. Your brain treats it as safe, warm, and restful. Layering without clutter. A common mistake is over-decorating. The real trick: group item in odd number 3 or 5. Leave small empty spaces to rest the eye. Mix heights: tall vase plus medium book plus small objects. Cozy, not crowded. Furniture placement philosophy. Unlike modern layouts, this style focuses on intimacy. Chairs face each other for conversation. Furniture is slightly closer together. Counters are used, like reading nooks and small tables. The goal is connection, not empty space. Time as a design element. In English country decor, time itself becomes part of the design. Items is naturally, nothing looks brand new. Seasons simply change the room. Small updates happen slowly over years. You don't finish this style, it keeps evolving. Small details that make a big difference. These tiny touches quietly define the style. Is fabric covered cushions with piping, lace or crochet details, slightly etched metal like brass and copper, a simple tray with tea, flowers, and a book. These are the soul details. The biggest mistake to avoid. Many people misunderstand this style by buying everything new but vintage looking, overloading with too many patterns, ignoring comfort for appearance. If it doesn't feel lived in and personal, it is not true English country. English country decor is not about copying a look, it is about creating a feeling of home that grows with you. It quietly says, you can slow down, you can be imperfect, you can surround it yourself with gentle beauty. A different way of thinking about home. Most modern interiors aim to impress guests, look perfect in photos, follow trends. English country homes quietly reject that. Instead, they focus on how you feel when you wake up, how naturally you move through the space, whether the room supports rest, conversation, and daily rituals. The home becomes the companion to your life, not a display. The rhythm of daily life. The design quietly shapes your day. Morning, with soft light, fresh air, and simple breakfast corner. Afternoon, a reading chair, natural textures, and calm colors. For evening, warm lamps, candles, and layered textiles. This decor supports moments, not just look. Lightness vs heaviness, a subtle secret. A well-designed English country room balances. Lightness, soft fabrics, pale colors, natural light. Heaviness, wooden furniture, antiques and grounding elements. Too heavy, equal dull and crowded. Too light, loses warmth and character. The beauty is in the balance between the two. The quiet corners principle. Every English country home has a small intentional corners. A chair by the window, a tiny table with flowers and tea, a soft, lit reading nook. These corners create emotional pauses in your house. The language of fabrics. Fabric in this style speaks softly. Florals equal romance and nature. Linen and cotton equal simplicity and freshness. Lace and crochet equal delicacy and tradition. Together, they create a sensory experience, not just visual beauty. Blending cultures, make it your own. You don't need to copy England exactly. You can blend English country softness. Use personal memories and handmade items. The result becomes your own version of English country, not a copy. Silence and space matter, one of the most overlooked elements. Not every wall needs decoration. Not every table needs objects. Silence in design creates calm. The empty space is thought allows everything else to breathe. English country decor is closer to a feeling, a quiet morning, a soft breeze through curtains, a lifted room that asks nothing from you. It gently reminds you that a home doesn't need to be perfect, it needs to feel beautiful and yours. Visual rhythm. Like music in a room. A well-designed English country space has a rhythm your eyes follow. Separating colors like soft prints appears in curtains, cushion, and plants. Repeating shapes like curved in furniture, frames, and patterns. Gentle flow from one corner to another. Nothing feels random, even when it looks effortless. Day to night transformation. A great English country space changes beautifully over the day. Daytime, fresh, airy, and nature filled. Evening, warm, dim, and intimate. Lighting is layered, so the mood gently evolves. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.